Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have this music instrument. I don't know what it does, but custom brought it to me saying that this USB connection was broken and it was loose. So he wanted me to fix it. My returning customer, he brings me repairs all the time. I did not replace it because these legs were broken. So I resoldered the legs. It's tight, they're nice, stable. But he brought it to test it, he said it doesn't work. So I said, fine, I'm just gonna replace it this time. So hopefully that's gonna fix it. If that doesn't fix it, obviously I'm gonna give him a refund. So I'm gonna start unplugging all these wires. There are little codes on them, so you can match the codes and find out where it goes. And I'm gonna remove this board and replace that connection. So it says Focusrite. Again, I don't know what it does. It's a music instrument, so hopefully I'll be able to replace that and get it working. So I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. All the wires are unplugged. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the screws right here, and I'm gonna have to kind of unfold this because it's very difficult to remove it with this being in the way. So I'm gonna have to kind of make this flat and I can put it underneath. But yeah, I'm just gonna take out the screws and remove that. Hopefully I'll be able to replace it and make it work this time. Wish me luck. All right, I did remove the board, so I'm just gonna take this out too. I'm not sure at what degree should I start melting this. I'm gonna start small first at maybe 350 Celsius. Then we'll see if it comes off easy. Then I'll go up if need be. So, and here's the new one. It's gonna go right there. All right, let's see. So the old connector's out. Looks like this 2 pin is broken. So I don't see it here either. I don't see it right there either. So hopefully it will be the connector that after we replace it, it will work. All right, I did replace the connector with a new one. I'm gonna put all this back together. All right, here's the end product. I did fix it, so hopefully it will work. I'm gonna have the customer bring back the USB cord and the power cord. I do have the power cord, but I need the USB cord, so we can actually test it on the computer, see if it sends any type of data. All right, that's it from this repair, guys. Thank you for watching.